the garage here, and we got the TSX. I just went and swapped a new rear main seal and pilot bushing right in here. Just cleaning up the transmission, new bearing there, just lubed that up, lubed up. The ball there's all lubed, both sides. And we're doing a quick difference in weight between TSX parts and Civic SI parts. So it just feels heavier. Being very gentle with my scale. So 17-pound flywheel. You have the disc. We're up to 20 pounds. And the pressure plate is quite heavy. I'd say about 29.5 pounds total for the TSX. The scale's got issues. So 29.5 pounds, this old guy. And here's the Civic SI. If you look at the size, of course they're going to be the same sizes because it's got a contact starter. But if you look at the clutch, it's almost not noticeable, the difference in size. But there is a slight difference. So let's weigh the used SI flywheel. Neither of these have been resurfaced as far as I know. So this is about 15 pounds exactly, maybe a tad under 15 pounds. Add the disc. About 18 pounds a combo right there. Pressure plate just under 25 pounds, just under 25. So 5-pound weight savings, not bad. The clutches are way cheaper for the SI versus TSX, and that's pretty much it. So one thing that you'll notice here, I don't know if you noticed, I did pull the tranny out the top. You just have to move the rad, move the mount bracket, move this coolant block here, stretch all the wiring around. It's actually not that bad. The worst part of it was just the mount on the back, and I have this supported underneath the stand with a piece of wood on top of it, and I just lowered it ever so gently. I lowered the whole vehicle on the lift just to support the weight of that. Now that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna try real hard to get this in real quick, because this lift here, there's no safety locks at this height, and I hate to leave the lift all loaded up for overnight. I never do. I always take all the weight off it. So I'm gonna just bang this together. I got to do ball joints. I don't know if you saw that Instagram post, but the ball joints are horrible. So I just emailed into work to see if we have any in stock. Otherwise, I'm gonna head off to the local parts shop and get some stuff. All right, so back to work for me. Thanks for watching. Peace out.